Hey guys, Travis here. Welcome to the channel. Just a quick video I'm posting up of our Apple Hill Cobra run we had on Saturday. My wife was able to come out with me. It was a really good day and the weather turned out to be real nice. We had about 15 cars out there. So a really good time. And real quick with all my videos, as I talked about before, we're trying to add to Kyle's GoFundMe. Kyle was a coworker that passed away in March this year and left behind a wife and 4 children. So we're always trying to add to their fund. So if you're willing to donate any amount, please click on the link below and send a donation their way. It will be greatly appreciated. One other thing too I want to talk about, if you have a Cobra and you're in the Sacramento area and you're interested in getting put on our Facebook Messenger, please send a comment down below and I'll add you to it. There's a good group of people that have these cars and we kind of get together for cars and coffee and just different kind of runs throughout the year that we're starting to do. So it's a good time and pretty fun time driving with all the cars together too. So with that, the video, it's a pretty short little video, but my wife was in the passenger seat, so we got some video and just thought we'd throw it up. So hope everybody's well and enjoy the video.